Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm discussing how to propagate aloe plants. Aloe plants are interesting succulents that can be easily propagated through pup division. Pups are baby aloe plants that grow from the base of the mother plant, and it's a very simply process to propagate your aloe using the pups from the mother plant. Many people prefer this method because of its simplicity and because there is less chance that the new plant will fail to grow. Since there are usually already roots growing with the pup, you will want to just water irregularly and watch as your new plant grows. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like and enjoy the video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.